Welcome back to the channel. Dane Scott from Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge. If you like old school trucking and all the trucks that comprised the great days of trucking in America, which in my opinion was the 60s, 70s, and half of the 80s, about a 25-year period there where trucking was great in America. That's what this channel's all about. You're going to see old school trucks for real. The shows that we go to, you're going to see pictures, you're going to hear from the truckers themselves. We've got interviews on here. We've just got a little bit of everything, old school semi-trucking. And before I show you those killer car haulers, look here. This is an upcoming truck show where you're going to see lots of vintage trucks right here in Conneaut, Ohio. Every year we have this show. It's called the GMC Jamboree, but all trucks 1990 and before. Pre-1990 are welcome. Pickup trucks, big semi-trucks, all kinds of trucks. We love them here. So make sure you take a note and plan to be here with us and celebrate. And at the end of it, we always have a killer convoy of trucks. We go through town just like they did in the 70s. Only we're not blocking traffic. We're just showing off our trucks. So before we go, please like and subscribe if you love old school trucking.